Good morning, children. Children, we are doing chapter number 12, chapter time. And in this chapter, you are knowing how to read the time by using a clock. In the last video, I explained that in a clock, there are two hands. The long hand of a clock is known as the minute hand, and the short hand of a clock is known as the hour hand. And there are 12 numbers on the dial of a clock, starting from 1 to 12. And between two consecutive numbers, there are 5 small divisions. So everywhere there are 5 small divisions. So all total there are 60 small divisions. One small division represents 1 minute. So all total on the dial of a clock, there are 60 minutes. So 1 hour, there are 60 minutes. When the hour hand moves from one number to the next number, means it completes 1 hour. Now when the minute hand moves from one number to the next number, so it completes 5 minutes. Now children, I explained you how to read a time using a clock. When the minute hand is at 12, so we read the time as here a clock is given. You can see the minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at 9. So this time we read as 9 o'clock, or we write like this 9.00. In part I told, when the minute hand is at 3, so we read the time as quarter past. In this clock children, look at here. The minute hand is at 3 and the hour hand is just beyond 6. So here the minute hand has covered 15 minutes. 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. So the minute hand covered 15 minutes. So 15 minutes have passed. So we read the time as 15 minutes past 6. Or you write the time as 6:15, or you may write quarter past 6. Now today we will do how to read the time when the minute hand is at 6. So we read it as half past. Okay, look at here children. In this clock, you just notice the hour hand and the minute hand carefully. The hour hand is between 3 and 4. Look at here. The hour hand is between 3 and 4 and the minute hand is at 6. So the minute hand completed 30 minutes. 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. All total there are 5 minutes, no? So the minute hand has completed 30 minutes. So 30 minutes past 3. Or you may write 3:30, or you may write 30 minutes past 3, or you may write half past 3 also. So there are 3 different ways to show this time, to write this time. Similarly, look at here. One more clock is given. Again here you may look, the minute hand is at 6 and the hour hand is between 10 and 11. So again the time is 10. You will take the smaller number, okay? So the time is 10:30. Or you may say it's 30 minutes past 10. Or you may say half past 10. Now today we will do exercise 12.3. Here the first question. Look at the clock carefully and write the correct time in 3 different ways. One has been done for you. So look at here children, in the first clock, the minute hand is at 6 and the hour hand is between 2 and 3. So you will take the first number. So we have time 2:30. You write here, or you may write 30 minutes past 2, or again you may write half past 2. So there are three different ways to write this time. Now next we are having B number. Again minute hand is at 6. Hour hand is between 11 and 12. So you will take the first number. So we will write the time 11:30. So you write here 11:30. Or in the second way you may write 30 minutes past 11. Or you may write half past 11. I hope you are getting. Again look at here children. In the number C, the minute hand is at 6. Hour hand between 8 and 9. So you will take the first number. The time is 8:30. Or you may write 30 minutes past 8. Or you may write half past 8. So look at here. The time is your 8:30. Or you may write 30 minutes past 8. Or you may write half past 8. I hope you are getting. Now moving to question number 2. Draw the hour hand and the minute hand according to the time given. So the first clock you have to show time 1:30. So children, as you know, you have to show the time 1:30. So our minute hand will be exactly at 6. And the hour hand will be between 1 and 2. So make the hour hand between 1 and 2. Hour hand is smaller, minute hand longer. Next 30 minutes past 10. Again hour hand will be at 6. Draw line, draw the minute hand. Now the hour hand will be between 10 and 11. So draw your hour hand here. It will be smaller. You may use a scale. Now moving to question number C, half past 12. So again minute hand will be at 6. And the hour hand will be between 12 and what number comes after 12? 1, no. So the hour hand will be between here 12 and 1. I hope you are getting children. You may use here a scale to draw your hands. Now look at the fill-ups. First fill up a number when the minute hand moves from 12 to 6. When the minute hand moves from 12 to 6, it has covered dash minutes. So from 12 to 6, minute hand completes, covers 30 minutes. So fill here 30. B number. At 2:30, the minute hand is on 6 and the hour hand is between 2 and 3. So fill here between. When the time is 5:30, we can also read as half past 5. So half is written, you have to fill past 5. Now 12:30 is also written as half past 12, or you may write 30 minutes past 12. E number half past 7 is also written as 7:30, or you may write 30 minutes past 7. So children, this question number 3 you will do in your copy, and 1 number and 2 number you may do in book.